What you expect me to do? It long till you bend like banana.
Wind up your time pussy pan and cocky ya. It long till you bend like banana.
But I one thing make more run for MP. Politician can do more. Good road, light, electricity, and running water.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Tea Time with Tea. In today's video, we'll talk about Vybz Kartel flirting with IG model in Panama. Also, he did say the other day that he would like to run for MP because we're still blocking road and ask for light, water, basic stuff. But before we get into the video, make sure you like the video if you haven't done so. If it's your first time, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of the latest updates. Let's get into the video. As you guys can see, he's just, flirting with his fan, or just hanging out with his fan rather. He was also in Panama again with this little boy that gave him a gift, and another person, a few other people that took some pictures and videos with him. Check this out.
This morning I got this from a little boy in Panama, downstairs at the hotel. It's beautiful. I just want to tell him thank you very much. Gracias, mi amigo. Gracias. I'm out.
Las manos, niño, las manos.
You give me good love, plus you are my need, so only for this you.
When the sun gone down and the lover come down, woman get a and want for your phone. Remember you say you want me sugar plum plum. Remember you tell me you not give me bun.
Oh, baby, everything and anything.
Vybz Kartel said he would run for MP because people are still blocking the road in 2024. I asked for running water, light, basic stuff. So he said he would probably run to be an MP in the future. Check this out.
Yeah, me never have no political aspiration growing up. But I one thing make more run for MP in the future. Just for show the people them say, bro, your life can better. Politician can do more. You know them here there? Cause me a meds it. You know when me da watch on the internet, and me a meds it, and me a say blood clot. You know them day and age, Jamaica people still a block road and a protest about basic things. Good road, light, electricity, and running water. Whole heap of school, basic school, primary school, these have running water, proper sewage system. Them think they're basic thing when it should even be no problem. A modern time now, in the 21st century, them think there should have been a problem. You know?
It is really a shame to say at 2024 and people still not are running water. People are fair buy water. But what I say, I know that vote for him if he was an MP. Tell me down in the comment section. Since night I've been seeing some videos circulating around on the internet, and it's representing unity. First I saw Jada Kingdom and Spice. Not saying that they have any beef, but the love that they're showing each other. Then Missy Elephant Man, Dexta Dops, Ding Dong. All of them are show each other love. You understand? Then Missy Sking and Valiant. So I'm going to show you each clip. I would love to see the unity in a dancehall. But before we get into that video, if you haven't liked this video yet, I'd really appreciate it if you leave a like on the video, leave a comment and share. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for the latest updates. Let's get into the videos.
Yeah.
on, let me tell you something about Jamaica. You feel like? Not Jamaica, you there? No. Then you could have New York and be there. I'm gonna come surprise you. I love you. New York, come on! I love you more. Big up your nice self. Shape good, smell good, mouth clean, your breath fresh.
Right the song. Right the song. One dressing. Yeah. Bring a 25. Right the song. Crazy. Nobody can read like her. One queen. Yeah, we don't chat.
I had to come out and show some love to my sister. One twinkle and that's her the woman power. Yeah. They got the purpose together. You forget it once I'm gone. Mash it up. Clean one side. Drop it. We're not coming like it, no. Oh, they're not the song, you know. Remember my show. But I'm never going to acapella. Go down and a wine and a bubble and roll a back, does a jump, this a jump that. But I'm going to go for a couple and a wine up your body and a bubble and skin on me, pum pum. I love you. I love you, my twinkle. Go down and a wine and a bubble and but the child does a jump, this a trouble and me and a wine is a bubble and a cuddle. We need the money and a me we must sit like a bubble and skin on me. But the money be a wine and a one twinkle, pull. I love you.
I love you more.
One twinkle.
Give it up for the queen and answer. I love you guys so much.
I love you.
Take care of yourselves.
Yeah, people, that was Spice surprising Jada at her show. Love to see it, love to see it. Now check this out with Dexta Ding Dong Elephant Man. Take a look at this.
Bravo! This viral! Stop it, no man. Watch out. Right. Watch out. Stop it, no man. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out now. Jesus Christ, man. I want to find my first poster tomorrow. I'm interested. This is my first. Hold on.
Respect to all the OG them. I think one night time even Elephant Man came out on the stage and he said that something was wrong with his foot, but he still made it. Check this out.
Watch out! And show me love, oh no. Me tell the lady for the show say, me now cancel me a forward. Me a jump on my 1 foot food. This is how me love music and love my fans. Nothing is so bad. Everybody, get it up, get it.
Yeah, man, there was a little rumor says King and Valiant never agree, but as you can see in the picture, so them alright. I'm glad to see it. There's a video of this female. I forgot what island she's from, but she is claiming that Dexta Daps and her do the things them, and Dexta Daps can't just walk free, so he's only walking free until only because she wants to. I don't know if it's a prank, but she sounds well serious. Look like she want to tie Dexta, but I know him in that trouble. Check this out.
I have a message for you, Dexta.
Fresh drop.
You think that you're gonna walk into my life and walk out back? The only way you walking out of my life, Dexta, is with no foot. So I don't know how you're walking out. You tell me you love me. You tell me I's the only woman for you. You tell me there's no other woman on this face of this earth but me for you. And now you want to walk out of my life? You only walk out of my life because I'm allowing you to. You have to do everything on my terms. You got to breathe on my terms. You got to wake up and sleep on my terms, Dexta. You think you can come in me life and fool me? Play with me, pat a cake, lick up me, Bobby. Itty pleats. Hype me up with all this enjoyment and walk out of my life? It's not gonna work like that, baby. I got news for you. You are my property, Dexta. You is my property. Welcome to my world, baby.
When you think I'm prank, or when you think she's serious, tell me what you think in the comment section. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. That's it for now. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel so you get the latest updates. Leave a comment and share. I'll see you next time. Bye.